we've been saying for years about the Saudi boxing bubble eventually popping. Has it popped?
Saudi have not been earning a lot of money from their shows. I've heard that from multiple people that have
Yeah.
worked on the cards or like been involved with Saudi. But the cards are not, how do I put it? The cards are not, earning the money that they need to earn. And I think they've not profited for a long time.
That's why they've partnered up with the likes of Dana White.
The Paramount deal is huge.
The fact that Dana White got that Paramount deal is almost definitely got that deal on the basis of boxing being involved as well, which clearly it was always going to be. Will Dana White and Zuffa be bigger than Matchroom, do you think? Do you think they'll get there?
Never. I'll never say never, actually. Never say never. But Dana White could be big. The problem you've got is Matchroom's an engine that's been going on for years. It will take years before we see them level of results.
Yeah.
So
I still think Zuffa should change their name, by the way. Please change it if you know.